Dr. Sandy Feldman, you are one of the most experienced eye surgeons in the San Diego area, so you are the woman to talk to when it comes to some of the newest exciting technology. Today we're going to talk about EVO ICL. So let's start at the very beginning. What is it?
Well, the EVO ICL is an implantable lens. It's smaller than a button, and it's about 3/4 the size of a contact lens. It sits inside the eye, and it's a great alternative to LASIK to free people from glasses or contact lenses.
Now, we're really just learning about this here on the West Coast, but this has been done for years in other areas of the world. Why are we just now kind of hearing about it and getting excited about it now in California?
Well, the newest model, the EVO ICL, was FDA approved in 2022, but has been used around the world for more than 10 years. We've had FDA approval of a prior model, but it required more surgical procedures and was less easy for patients. So the EVO ICL really made the procedure much easier for patients, and the results are outstanding.
So let's talk a little bit about what this procedure looks like. Somebody comes to you, finds out they're a good candidate for EVO ICL. What is the process? What's the recovery time?
Well, the first aspect is who is a good candidate for the EVO ICL. People who are nearsighted have about 3 diopters all the way up to 20, where they'd be seeing about this close to their face, with astigmatism up to about 4 diopters. So it treats a very wide range of prescriptions. It's good for patients the age of 21 to 45. And being a LASIK alternative, instead of removing tissue from the eye, you're actually adding this lens inside the eye, and it's removable. So people that are fearful of a flap or may have dry eyes may be a good candidate for the EVO ICL.
What are the results that you're seeing? Because you've been using EVO ICL and have had many successful cases. What kind of feedback are you getting after people go through this?
Well, the results are really quite amazing. And what we see is happy patients. 99.4% of patients are satisfied with their vision after the EVO ICL and recommend it to their family and friends.
I mean, you look at all of the health and science benefits, it sounds like a no-brainer to me. And when I was doing my research, when I Googled EVO ICL, one of the first things that came up were the number of celebrities that are actually choosing this, which is just interesting. I think since I'm a lifestyle and entertainment host, that always stands out to me, but it's incredible how many athletes and celebrities are choosing this.
Absolutely. I can name a few. Joe Jonas, his brother Kevin Jonas. Jimmy Yang is the most recent celebrity who's undergone the procedure. India Gantz, America's top model.
Wow.
Football players, basketball players, on, and everyday San Diegans have it too.
What's the next step if they want to get a consultation or more information from you?
The next step is really just to call us or email us or text us, and then we can set up a free consultation. We'll send you some information, video and email, and then we can determine whether you are a great candidate for this procedure.
All right, EVO ICL, it seems that's where it's at. Okay, Dr. Feldman, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon.
Thank you, Ashley.